So today on Redneck Rescue, our situation is we're going to the next subdivision over where we've got a truck with a trailer and a skid steer that has now slid off the road. We're gonna go see about pulling it back on. It's already slid down the hill, so we don't have to worry about it coming any further. Let's go check it out. So this is our situation. He was just trying to get up this hill. It got slick, came backwards at like 25 miles an hour or so. Had to put it in the snow bank so things didn't go south. No big deal. We're just gonna go ahead and pull this back end over. I'm gonna set up right over here on the snow bank.
As you can see, only one side of the trailer is off in the snowbank. Most of the truck is still on the road. Let's see if the winch will do it.
So here we are set up. We got Miranda into the snow drift, winch line, run right up and over the plow, going across the street to this strap. Just gonna drag it sideways. So you can see my plow truck dragging forward a little bit, burying in. Eventually I'm gonna sink in. Look, it's self-plowing.
So the blade doesn't quite want to stick in because the skid steer is so heavy.
So after that, we're gonna go ahead and go for the kinetic strap. So you just choose that compression forward, but on the thumbs up. I'll go, we'll just move like 3-4 feet at a time. We'll get it up on top.
Doesn't really show, but it's an uphill pull. With each pull, we gain about 3 feet of ground.
So now we got it back up on the road. We're gonna go ahead and unload this thing.
Now for the final pull to get the truck and the trailer up the hill to where it needs to go. This is about where that skid steer started to drag that half-ton backwards down the hill. But with the help of Miranda and some studded snows, we make it right up to the top. If you enjoyed today's episode of Redneck Rescue, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We got other rescues coming down the line. Have fun out there.